Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mary Grace Villana,
How old are you?
38 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Do you have kids?
no.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 7 months.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
No,
So how long you been working with your previous employer?
7 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Typo,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
3,500.
Okay, so how many family member there?
2,
How many children?
no.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 or 7.
And then?
And
What do you do in the morning?
prepare the cleaning house and prepare the breakfast and after and cleaning area.
Oh, cleaning the house, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you go market?
Sometime no, sometime yes.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
5 or 6.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7.
7 o'clock, okay. So what time you go to bed?
Go to bed, finish the work, and go to sleep.
So what time you go to bed?
9.
Okay, thank you so much.